Hi friends, uh, today we are going to talk about a very important topic which is contemporarily being most debated and discussed and really wanted. That is called how to develop emotional immunity during the COVID period. We are always thinking of physical immunity. We are taking vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc tablets, lot of amounts, lot of ERCOT. We are taking all kinds of things for a physical immunity. But today, my dear friends, I will tell you that during COVID-19 pandemic period, the most important thing is called the emotional immunity. So, how to build emotional immunity so that you can face the challenge? My dear friends, as you know that this COVID-19 pandemic has brought about a lot of challenges. I mean, people are at home, people have lost their jobs, people have in fact lost most of their precious things. Many marriages, many relationships have been affected. So the rate of suicide, rate of depression has increased. In fact, there is a doldrum everywhere. So there is a chaos everywhere. People are really into crisis. People are all very grief-stricken. People are tensed up. People are thinking what will happen next. People read the corona meter every day. So there is an atmosphere of disturbances everywhere. So from this syndrome, how can you come up? In a syndrome of frustrations, sufferings, grief and depression, how you have to face it? Physically, yes, you have to physically remain fit. Your immunity power has to increase. That is true. But my dear friends, most importantly, you have to be emotionally strong. This emotional immunity, how it will come? The emotional immunity means you can come over any challenge through your strong emotion. And this is called the positivity, the thinking positive, having sunshine smiles, having a lot of positive vibes. These are called the emotional immunity for you. And how that will come? My dear friends, desperate times calls for desperate measures. We all know that. Now we need to be composed. For example, how you can develop an immunity power? In the morning you get up. Remember, every day you get up, always thank God that I am alive. And think that I am lucky in comparison to others because I am alive. Number two, meditation is important. Your workout is important. So your physical activity in the morning, your mental activity in the morning, that gives you a lot of positive vibes for the whole day. So that is the morning take for you. Keep your phone switched off. Don't get up and see who has sent you good morning messages. Keep the phone at a bay. Straight away get up, go out for meditation, go for for walk or for the gym or whatever you feel like you can go. Do a little bit of exercise. Don't think anything. Just have a exercise, meditation, then have a good bath, and then you come out. And then newspaper reading. Lot of people nowadays have a lot of immunity. They always want that a lot of newspaper they want. So this negativity has to be stopped. That negativity has to be stopped. This negativity can be only controlled. This negativity can be only controlled if you think the news take has to be limited. It cannot be unlimited negative news impact. COVID, every time you feel like COVID is a very challenging for you. So that negativity has to be cleared from you. So your morning take, after you finish up, always have some positive thing. Just have a news update of the COVID or corona meter you just see. Don't see too many channels. Don't read too much. Keep your informations ready. But that doesn't mean that you should do too many things so that you can be in a position not to have go ahead for the whole day. That is important. Second important thing is that always have a smile on your face. In spite of the best of odds, always try to smile. A sunshine smile actually brings a lot of good things in life. And remember, when you smile, the gentleman in front of you also give you a return smile. So you spread happiness, you spread smiling things, that brings positivity. That is emotional immunity again. Then when you go for the food, don't take too much food. You take your food, intake is limited, take your choicest foods. Your diet plan has to be very good. By the evening you come out from the home, you feel that how many people you have talked to very positive way. How many times you have talked to them, how many times you have spoken to them. So that is the catch actually. So my dear friends, what I exactly want to say that emotional immunity during COVID time is such an important thing. Mental state is very important. We always speak about physical immunity. My dear friends, emotional, how positive you are, how you can smile, how can you override the challenges. So never get into depression. Always feel that every night will be followed by a day. Sunshine will come. Every cloud has a silver lightning. So this COVID-19 will after some time it will go away. But if you are negative, you feel you are depressed, then you are already dead. So मरने से पहले मत मरो. That is the call. So my dear friends, I will say that my dear friends, first, apart from physical immunity, always have a strong emotional immunity. That will come with positivity, with a lot of good thinking, with a lot of good work and spreading the happiness among others. So that is the call. Thank you. Namaskar.